It's exciting to see people that are sitting near each other on near the same table. So enjoy. Anyhow, it's a pleasure to be with you. Thank you for being here. I will share with you what Stratasys is doing in order to make sure that we are taking the best of additive manufacturing into real mass production in order to make this world a better one. So Stratasys practically is in a mission to take the industry of additive manufacturing from a prototyping industry into manufacturing. And we have a responsibility here, and our responsibility is to make it with real, deep thought, how we make this world better. And it's all about having a mindset of mindful manufacturing. So it's an obligation and also a commitment from our side. We understand that in a post-pandemic world, it's very clear. The world is different. The world is different. Supply chain can be broken. We are living in an uncertain world. Climate change is all over. You just see the amount of, fire events that we had in the Mediterranean and in California, and floods all in Europe. And it's clear that we need to do something. And we are sitting as an industry on a treasure. And this treasure is our ability to transform manufacturing. And this is a personal responsibility, it's also an industry responsibility to be able to make manufacturing a much more sustainable practice. So Stratasys is taking this role. We started, it's a company with a long history. We started 30 years ago with inventing two of the most prominent technologies in additive manufacturing, the material jetting and the material extrusion. And we took those inventions into a leadership of innovation, and we are keep innovating every day. So in a snapshot about Stratasys, we are the leader in additive manufacturing in terms of the number of machines and systems that we are selling every quarter. We are more than 30 years. We have more than 30 years of history with the best customers in the world, more than 2,000 employees, more than 1,700 patents, and a very strong balance sheet. We are focusing on what we call polymer additive manufacturing, which is about 60 to 65% of the market, and there are strong trends out there. The need for onshoring, the need for securing supply chain, the need for personalization, mainly in healthcare, that are supporting us and the entire industry. But in order to be in manufacturing, to make this move from prototyping into manufacturing, you need the full package. And this is what we are bringing to the table. We have 5 different technologies that can address every application today in polymer 3D printing. And these 5 technologies, from PolyJet to FDM to SLA to DLP and to SAF, the selective absorption fusion, which is the new technology that we are bringing to the market. Those 5 technologies are sitting on 2 platforms, a software platform and a material platform where we are creating an ecosystem. And all this is being brought to the market through a network of more than 200 resellers. So this is Stratasys. But we understand that this major shift, it's not something that Stratasys can do alone. It's an industry change. And I'm happy to see Marie here, and that we are sharing the same vision in terms of sustainability. But also our customers, and you can see here only a sample of our customers, understand the need to think differently about manufacturing. And it doesn't matter if it's Tesla or GM or Airbus or Medtronic or Echo, they all understand that something needs to be changed, and we see the pull from their side, how they should design the micro plants of the future. And we are doing it, and industry by industry. So we are asking them to join us. We're asking our supplier to join us, our colleagues, our peers, and also you to join us in delivering this industry by industry and change in mindset where we are introducing additive manufacturing for a better future. And the better future that we are envisioning is a future with what we call mindful manufacturing. So from the get-go, we design the parts, we design the machines in a way that will deliver better and more responsible way of creation, of creating things. And at the end, that will make sure that the coming generation will be able to thrive. The way we are doing it is by very clear guidelines. We took the overall UN Sustainability Development Goals and we went to each one of them and we asked ourselves, practically we did it through a survey of our 2,000 employees, where can we have an impact? And we came out with 4 very clear sustainable development goals. It's about the climate change, it's about responsible consumption, it's about innovation, and it's about starting from education. So educating students that there is a way to better manufacture in this world. We are a founding member of the Additive Manufacturing Trade Association, Green Trade Association, and this is just a reflection of our belief that such a big change cannot be done by one company or one person. It's something that all of us need to adopt, embrace, and make sure that we are living it and it's part of our strategy. And that's exactly what we are doing. We started from corporate responsibility, making sure that we do business in an ethical way, but we take it much beyond compliance. Much beyond compliance. We are talking about making sure that we as a company, with a very clear purpose, to create, or I would say to simplify the process of creation, to make people able to create without limits. And the way to do it has to go through a sustainable, mindful manufacturing, because otherwise there is no way to secure the future of the coming generation, and this is our obligation. And thank you for listening.